apologize to you guys for the big delay we have on this. So, before I start, do you guys know some local ditches? The name of some local ditches in English? Do you guys know?
Yes.
Can you give me some example? Which mean? Thank you very much. Today we are going to present you our journey by cooking exceptional dishes from Benin, which is right now locally called Alima. So this is a part of our cooking projects at the end of our LS201 session in this class at All-in-One Academy. And I'm with my colleague Kevin, Betty, Marily, Nadej, Amerik, and Vicky, myself, Merlin. So our presentation will be structured in three parts. First, we will talk about the market part. Second, we will talk about the kitchen part. And finally, we present you food, the dish. Let us move to the market part. Before we started our cooking, we made a planning. We plan to go to a local market, which is the marché union of Akasapu in Abonikanabi State, Abonikanabi City in Atlantic Department, and we bought some ingredients in order to make our dish ready. We bought a corn flour, you can see it on the left corner, a fresh tomatoes, some onions, some pepper, some chicken fry, and some oil, and also some cacao. Moving on that, we get to the kitchen to make our dish ready. So first, we kill at the market. We kill and prep the chicken completely. We bought a natural chicken, the chicken we found in our road or our garden. We bought them and kill them and cook them completely. And after that, we clean them with water. We cut into pieces. Sorry, with some wings and some legs too. We also season it with salt, pepper, and other ingredients. After that, we put it on fire and having a great meat at the end. We fry the chicken piece with it golden crispy, and very, very fast. Here you can see some photo of the final results. By the end, we present you some video we make at the presentation, at the cooking part of all of this. And now you can see the final results here in the plastic. Moving on to that, we make the almond porridge. Firstly, with our corn flour, we sift it to remove lumps, and then we boil 1 liter of water in a large pot over the fire. And after that, we add some butter and to the boiling water. Slowly add the corn flour while we are stirring constantly. It was a root process, and you will see it in the video next. We keep stirring to prevent lumps, so we have a consistent porridge. After about